It's 2 a.m. and you're staring at the ceiling, doing the math on a box of diapers and a medical bill that you cannot pay. The gurus all tell you to tighten your belt and live in misery until your debt is gone. They call it the austerity doctrine. I call it a death trap. I know this because I have bled for these numbers, literally. I survived the streets of Johannesburg at the age of 10 years old. I spent 9 years in prison and a $72,000 medical bankruptcy that left me praying to die. I didn't find my exit in a textbook. I found it in the numbers. I taught myself a career in 48 hours to escape a factory floor. I built businesses while I was grieving for my dead son. Now I've rebuilt a system that doesn't just help you survive, it helps you to reboot. It's called parallel progress. We don't wait for someday to be free. We build our parachute, our growth engine, and our dreams at the exact same time. This is a financial system installation for people who cannot afford to fail. So subscribe today and join the reboot. Let's build a legacy your kids can actually be proud of.